Hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can cancel your Shopify subscription and close your store. On the bottom left corner of your Shopify dashboard, click Settings. From the Settings menu, select Plan to view the details of your account of your current subscription. Scroll down and click on Cancel Plan at the bottom right. Shopify will let you know that your data will be stored for the next 2 years. You want to reactivate your store later. If you just need a break, you can switch to the pause and build plan. You can also choose to start fresh with a new store. For this tutorial, we will continue with cancel plan. Review the information and select I have reviewed this information. Choose a reason for cancellation. For example, switching to another platform. Check the option to save payment details if you don't want them stored. Finally, click Cancel Plan. Once you confirm, your store will be closed and your subscription will be cancelled. And that's it, your Shopify store has now been cancelled.